was that Oracle America and Google. Issue under consideration was whether Google's use of Java APIs in the Android operating system was fair use. So, question was whether that Java APIs usage in Android operating system was a fair use or not. That was the question under consideration, that was the issue. The decision was like US Supreme Court ruled that Google's use of the Java APIs was a fair use. So, this was the decision and then the obviously if you go into the details of this case, Sun Microsystem is there, then Oracle is there. So, you can just go into the details of this course. It is a long, we can say, the proceedings, there are events in this particular case, and the significance of this case is that it clarified the application of fair use to software interfaces, obviously impacted software development practices and interoperability.